Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to general medicine acute hepatitis. Before going to topic outline, if you want to watch the same acute hepatitis topic lecture in Urdu, Hindi, I already upload on my YouTube channel. But if you want to watch in English, then this video is for you because my all lecture is present in both English and Urdu. Now, today topic is acute hepatitis. Topic outline include number 1 definition, number 2 causes, number 3 pathophysiology, number 4 clinical feature, number 5 complications, number 6 investigations, and number 7 treatment. First, before definition, if we watch the hepatitis word, hepata mean liver and tus mean inflammation. Hepatitis mean inflammation of the liver, and acute mean acute inflammation of the liver. Now definition is easy for us. What is acute hepatitis? Its definition is acute inflammation of liver under 6 months called acute hepatitis. If acute inflammation of liver under 6 months, it called acute hepatitis. If after 6 months, then it is not called acute hepatitis, then it is called chronic hepatitis, because under 6 months or before 6 month duration is necessary for acute hepatitis, like 3 months, 4 months, 2 months, 1 month, 5 months. This is the definition of acute hepatitis. Now come to the causes of acute hepatitis. There are 8 causes of acute hepatitis. Number 1 is viruses like hepatitis A virus, B virus, E virus. These are specific for acute hepatitis. Number 2, alcohol. Number 3, drugs like paracetamol. Number 4, Wilson disease. It is cause of acute hepatitis because there is too much potassium accumulated in the liver. In Wilson disease, too much potassium accumulated in the liver, and the result acute hepatitis will occur. Number 5 causes autoimmune condition. Number 6 causes non-viral infection like toxoplasma infection, leptospira, Q fever. Number 7 causes toxin like Amanita toxin in mushroom. Number 8 causes other viruses like Epstein-Barr virus, cytomegalovirus, yellow fever virus. These are the 8 causes of acute hepatitis. Now come to the pathophysiology of acute hepatitis. When acute inflammation of liver occurs, its parenchymal cell become damaged. Like this is the right lobe of the liver, this is the left lobe of the liver, and by the red spot I show the parenchymal cell, and by the dark cross I show the damaged parenchymal cell. When parenchymal cell become damaged due to acute inflammation of the liver, then liver parenchymal damage occur and liver function impaired. When due to acute inflammation, the liver parenchymal cell damage and result the normal function of the liver become impaired. How? Number 1, normally our liver excrete bilirubin, but here due to impaired function, due to parenchymal cell damage, bilirubin not excrete. When bilirubin not excrete, bilirubin accumulated in our skin, in our body, and the result jaundice will be occur. Number 2, the normal function when bilirubin come in urine. Normally bilirubin are not come in urine, but in acute hepatitis, when bilirubin come in urine, our urine become dark. Number 3, When parenchymal cell damage, due to parenchymal cell damage, transaminases will be released, which is ALT, AST, which help in investigation of acute hepatitis. Number fourth, normally liver produce bile which store in gallbladder. But when acute inflammation of liver occur, its parenchymal cell become damaged, low bile will be produced. When low bile produced, the low bile come to the gut, then normally due to high bile content our stool color are dark, but due to low bile our stool become pale, its color become pale. Fifth is, normally our liver produce protein which is responsible for clotting, like albumin protein. When there is a parenchymal cell damage, protein synthesis decrease, mean clotting protein like albumin. This is the pathology of acute hepatitis. Number 1, bilirubin not excrete, result jaundice. Number 2, bilirubin come in urine, urine become dark. Number 3, release transaminases. Number 4, low bile produce and come to gut and stool become pale. And number 5th is protein synthesis decrease, mean clotting protein. This is the pathology of acute hepatitis. Now come to the clinical feature. Clinical feature include number 1, anorexia. Number 2, pain in upper right quadrant. Why pain in upper right quadrant? Due to inflammation of the liver, the capsule around liver which cover the liver, due to inflammation of the liver, the capsule will be stretched. When capsule stretch, in result pain occur in upper right quadrant. Number 3, nausea. Number 4, jaundice. Why jaundice? Due to bilirubin not excretion. These are the 4 clinical feature of acute hepatitis. Now come to the complication. There are 3 complications of acute hepatitis. Number 1, liver cirrhosis. Number 2, liver failure. Number 3, chronic hepatitis. Number 1, liver cirrhosis. If acute hepatitis are not treated, it will be changed into liver cirrhosis. Number 2, liver failure. If acute hepatitis is not treated, it will be liver failure. Number 3, chronic hepatitis. If acute hepatitis is not treated on time, after 6 months, it will be changed into chronic hepatitis. Now come to the investigation. We do basically 2 investigations. Number 1, blood serum level, serology. It shows virus. Number 2, it causes virus. Number 2, it shows transaminases level. In acute hepatitis, the transaminases ALT, AST level will be high. Number 3, it shows albumin level, clotting protein. In acute hepatitis, albumin concentration will be low. These are the, and also serology shows paracetamol level. It causes paracetamol. Also alcohol level. These are the investigation. Second is LFT, liver function test. These are the 2 investigation of for acute hepatitis. Now come to the treatment. In treatment, if first we remove the cause. If cause is alcohol, the patient should stop alcohol. Number 2, if cause is paracetamol, we should stop the paracetamol or change with other NSAIDs. Number 2, if virus is the cause, then antiviral drug will be given like interferon, AD4. Now, today we studied acute hepatitis topic outline, definition, causes, pathophysiology, clinical feature, complication, investigation, treatment. Today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button, and if you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and open the all notification and click the notification bell to open the all notification in order to you receive my all new video notification. For watching my video, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.